Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As promised, I'm showing you guys how to create my notebook covers in Canva versus Adobe InDesign. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and head over to canva.com. And if you don't have an account, go ahead and sign up and create one. And if you do have an account, then just go ahead and log in. Now, Canva does have a free and a paid version, but the paid version isn't necessarily necessary. You don't need it. So just go ahead and sign up for the free one, and you can use the free one. And if you decide you want some more options, then go ahead and buy it. But once you go ahead and sign up or log in, you'll get to this screen. And today we're going to be working with the US letter document size. And if you hover over it, it'll tell you it's the 8.5 by 11. And those are that's the size of the notebooks I do. So I'll go ahead and click that because those are the dimensions I want to use. And if you haven't already checked out my notebook tutorial, go ahead and watch that one so you can kind of see what the purpose of today's tutorial is. But I just want to show you guys how to do this in Canva versus Adobe InDesign, because you do have to pay for Adobe InDesign. And if you really, Adobe InDesign's you can use for a lot of things. And if you're not going to use it for its full potential, then there's no point in paying for it because it is kind of expensive. Okay, so this right here is my blank canvas area that we'll be working with, and this is the 8.5 by 11 size. Over here in this column is like some pre-made templates that you can kind of edit, depending on what you need to, what kind of document you want to create. This right here is some like stock images that Canva has that you can use. These right here are like different graphics you can kind of use, arrows, circles, just different things depending on what kind of document you're trying to create. Again, right here is the text section. They have some pre-made text that you'll just edit, to the words that you want to use, or you go ahead and create your own. And then, Canva does offer some backgrounds. For my notebooks, I use digital background paper that I purchased off Etsy. But if you see something over here that you like, you can go ahead and use that as well. Now, what we're going to be working with mainly is this upload section. So I'll go ahead and click that. And I'll just show you guys how to do this from scratch. We'll go ahead and hit upload an image. And I have an event coming up Saturday for Pretty Plans, which is my stationery business. So I'll be taking some notebooks, and it is at a church. So a lot of my designs I'll be taking will be faith-based. So I'm just going to go ahead to this folder. The image that I'm about to upload is from zdcreations.com. That's my favorite, one of my favorite sites to shop for images. Now, one thing I do like about Canva is that if I wanted to, I could upload all of these at the same time by just kind of highlighting and dragging like that. But right now, I just want, well, I guess I'll take these two. I'll upload both those designs. And while that is uploading, I'll go ahead and upload a background color that I don't have already in here. So let me see. Go over here to my downloads. I think I'm gonna try this dark blue because I think my In God I Trust image will look pretty. Normally I do it in pink, but I think it would look pretty with that dark blue as well. So I'm just gonna wait till that uploads. And one thing I like about Canva is that whatever I do on my computer, Canva has an app as well. So whatever I do and save on the computer, as long as I save the project, I can access it on my app. So what I'm going to do basically is just enlarge this wallpaper so that it covers the full paper. Okay, that looks good. And then I'm just going to insert my design. And so you see when I move my design, that pink box shows up. That's kind of like a guideline on how big you want your image. You kind of want your image to stay inside that pink box. And my image is smaller than that pink box, but it still looks good. So I'm just gonna kind of place it right there. That looks good. And honestly, that's it. I'm gonna do some pink ones and I'm going to do some blue ones. So let me go ahead and create this in pink as well. And all I did was add page and it gave me this. I want to take away the blue background and add pink. Same thing, I'm just going to enlarge the background. Add my design. What do you guys think? Do you think it's cuter in the blue or the pink? Let me know in the comments below. So now that we have our image, our image is done, right? We'll just go up here to this little download arrow and we'll save it. You can save it as a PDF. You can save it as a PNG, a JPG, however you want to save it. I'll just go ahead and save it as a PDF because it prints really well as a PDF, and then I'll hit download. And once it's downloaded, it'll be saved to my computer. And right here, I'll hit save. So now it's saved to my computer and I can just go ahead and print it out as I normally would. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Until next time.